Today I'm going to be preparing 2 packs, surgical packs for sterilization. I'm going to start with my small pack. It's not a canine spay pack or a feline spay pack. It's just called a small pack here, and this pack is used as an accessory to other packs if there's more instruments needed, or they're used on their own for just minor surgical things needed, such as today we used a small pack while searching for a nasopharyngeal polyp, and then also assessing a wound on the back leg and having to use a couple of these instruments. We use disposable drapes here. So I have one behind here, just cut into a square, and I have my surgical instruments here, and our protocol here is to take one of the 4 small towel clamps and putting them through the back, so it helps align the instruments up here so they can't freely move about. We use 10 sterile gauze pads in our packs, and we make sure to count those before putting them in the pack. And I do have 10 here. I'm going to place that right here. And this is one of our disposable drapes that goes in the pack as well. We put our drapes just right in the packs here because that's the way our doctor likes them, and we do use the dog ear fold for that as well. I have my chemical indicator tape here. We use Comply steam indicator tape. For this pack, I'm going to take a piece of the indicator tape and I'm going to fold it, and I'm going to place it right here in between the instruments. So that way it's touching the back and going through the instruments. I'm then going to place my 10 gauze pads there, and I am going to place my drape here. And this drape is non-fenestrated. There is no previously cut hole. We cut those in ourselves, and that's dependent on the surgical procedure being done, what our margins would be for that hole. So now I am going to prepare the pack. I'm going to make one fold here. I'm actually going to move this down just a little bit because I want to make sure that I have enough material up there to get a proper tuck in at the bottom. Definitely takes practice to make these wraps tight, which I am ever practicing this. But I will say that they do get tighter as I go, which is good. I'm going to tuck the bottom into this loop right here. And now that I have it wrapped, so I fold this here and able to easily open the pack, I'm going to take my chemical indicator tape about this long. I'm going to make a tab up here so it's easily being able to be pulled off when needed. Go around the back. I'm going to write the type of pack being prepared, which this is what we call here just our small pack or accessory pack. I'm going to write my initials here in this corner. I'm going to write today's date, which is February 5th. And then I'm going to place it here on the fenestrated instrument pan. Then I'm going to set this aside, and this is ready to be sterilized. The next pack that I'm going to be doing is a gown pack. I folded this gown in the video prior, and along with a towel for wiping the hands off, or a drape if you will, to wipe your hands off as you're scrubbing in with the gown. And we do have a flap here for that. Picking it up. This gown is folded a little larger because it is a size extra large, but I got it down as much as I could. For this one, I'm going to put a piece of folded indicator tape in two places. I'm going to put one behind here. And I'm also going to put one behind here. That way we know that sterilization went all the way through. And that's per my clinic's protocol. Next, I'm going to wrap the gown with the same material drape, non-finish drape of course, as I did the surgical instruments. Here is the gown wrapped, and as you can see I have an ease of access right here. And now the same way I did the instrument pack, I'm going to use the same method for the sterilization tape. I'm going to make a tab here so it's easy to pull off. I'm going to put it right like that. And the same tab on the bottom. And I'm going to write what's in this. This is a gown and towel, my initials, and today's date. And this is ready to go in a second tray and be sterilized in the autoclave as well.